It's hard out there for any automaker, dealing with tariffs, development costs, consumer sentiment, and a muted shift to electric vehicles. And luxury car makers are not exempt. A new report suggests that Porsche's cost-cutting efforts may be so aggressive that the luxury automaker could kill 2 brand new models before they've even left the building. At issue are the all-electric Cayman and 718 Boxer, models that CarScoop says were meant to define Porsche's future, but might soon fall victim to soaring costs and shifting market dynamics. In 2022, under the oversight of then CEO Oliver Blume, Porsche announced an ambitious goal. 80% or more of its new vehicles would be all electric by 2030. As we know, in a few short years, a lot has changed. And while Porsche was sunsetting the ICE versions of the 718 Boxer and Cayman and developing the new electric ones, it began struggling with mounting costs and delays. Bloomberg, citing anonymous sources, says Porsche's new CEO, Michael Leiters, may be wasting no time in reining things in, suggesting that the 2 new vehicles might get scrapped before they hit dealer showrooms. One additional reason could be a potential plan by Porsche to add a plug-in to its lineup, a move that Bloomberg notes would require added investments and could also perhaps delay the 2 EVs further. The risk the strategy carries then is that the 718 Boxer and Cayman EVs could be outdated by the time they even reached the market. Behind the scenes, a challenging development process has been further hampered by supply chain issues, specifically Porsche revealing in 2025 that its battery supplier Northvolt was bankrupt, and it was struggling to secure the batteries it needed. Since then, the company has added more ICE variants to its portfolio. CarScoop notes that Porsche called the report on the fate of its new EVs speculation and refused to comment further. I'm Anna Wells, and this is Manufacturing Now.